Good morning, students. Have a nice day. Last class, we have discussed about the multiplication of fractions with a whole number, right now. So, today we'll start discussing about multiplication of fraction by another fraction, right now. So, don't be late, student. Let's start. So, students, here the title is multiplication of fraction by another fraction. So, how can we multiply it? Here is a rule. So, multiplication of fractions is calculated by multiplying their numerators divided by multiplying their denominators. So, कैसे करते हैं इसको? उनका मल्टीप्लीके जो न्यूमेरेटर्स है न्यूमेरेटर को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं डिवाइडेड बाय डिनोमिनेटर्स का प्रोडक्ट लिखते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू फ्रैक्शंस इज इक्वल टू product of numerators by product of denominators, right now. So here we have, if let a by b and c by d are two fractions, here a by b is a fraction and another fraction is c by d, then what will be their product? Their product will be a by b into c by d, so that here the numerators are a and c, so they will be multiplied a into c. Here the denominators are b and d, so b and d will be multiplied a into c ac and b into d vd. So let us discuss with an example. Here it is written 3 by 4 into 2 by 6. Here the numerators are 3 and 2, so they will be multiplied, and the denominators are 4 and 6, so they will be again multiplied. 2 3 is 6 divided by 4 6 is 24, right now. So if we want to reduce the fraction, then it will be 4 6 1 is 6, 6 4 is 24, it will be 1 by 4, right now. So students, here the next question is multiply 2 whole 3 by 4 by 4 by 8, right now. So we will write here 2 whole 3 by 4 into 4 by 8. It will be 2 whole 3 by 4, you know it is a mixed fraction, so we can convert it into improper fraction. And what we will get? 4 2 is 8, 4 2 is 8, 8 plus 3 11, 11 by 4, it will be 11 by 4 into 4 by 8. Here we will write 4 by 8, then we just multiply the numerators, that 11 and 4, 11 into 4 divided by, we'll multiply the denominators, that are 4 and 8, 4 into 8, we'll get 11 4s, it will be 44 divided by 4 8s, we will get 32. And if you want to reduce the fraction, then we can reduce by 4, that is 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4, here 4 8s are 32, 11 by 8, right now. So students, next come to the third example. Here it is written multiply 3 whole 2 by 4 into 5 whole 2 by 6. So at first we will convert the fraction into improper fraction, that is 4 3 is 12, 12 plus 2 14, 14 by 4 into, again we will convert it into improper fraction, that will be 6 5 is 30, 30 plus 2 32 by 6. Again next we will multiply their numerators, that is 14 into 32 divided by, we will multiply their denominators, that are 6 into 4, 4 into 6. Now we will get, so students, here we will get 14 into 32, 14 2 is 28, 8 carry over 2, 14 3 is 42, 42 plus 2 44, we will get 448. Now 4 into 6, 4 6 are 24. If you want to reduce the fraction, then we will get, we can cancel by 4, 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, here we will get 4 6 is 24. Again we can cancel by 2, 2 5s are 10, 1 left 12, 2 6 are 12, here 2 3 is 6, so we will get 56 by 3. Again if you want to convert it into mixed fraction, then we will get 3 1s are 3, 2 left 26, 3 8s are 24, 2 left 2 by 3, here we will get 18 whole 2 by 3, right now. Next come to the number 4, multiply 3 by 2 and 7 by 5. So students, look at here, both the fractions are improper fraction. Here 3 by 2 and 7 by 5 both are improper fractions. Then what will get? 3 by 2 into 7 by 5. You know, 3 and 7 will be multiplied and 2 and 5 will be multiplied. So 3 into 7 we will get 21 and 2 into 5 will get 10. So students, here you can find that the product of the two fractions, that is 21 by 10, which is the product of two improper fractions, it will be always greater than each of the two fractions. So let us try. देखो ये हमारे पास है 21 by 10 है, तो ये बोथ द फ्रैक्शन से ग्रेटर होगा, मतलब 3 by 2 से भी ग्रेटर होगा एंड 7 by 5 से भी ग्रेटर होगा. कैसे? देखो, you can write 3 by 2 and you can make it into a like fraction of 21 by 10 by multiplying the denominators 5 and also numerator by 5. You will get 3 5s are 15 and 2 5s are 10. देखो, now you will get the like fraction of 21 by 10, and you can say that if we can compare 21 by 10 and 15 by 10, obviously you can say that 21 by 10 is greater than 15 by 10 right now. So now you can say that the product of two improper fractions is greater than each of the two fractions right now. So next, let us discuss the product of two proper fractions. Here 3 by 5 and 1 by 7 both are proper fraction. So if we multiply 3 by 5 into 1 by 7, at first we will multiply the numerators 3 into 1, and then we will multiply the denominators 5 and 7. 3 1s are 3, 5 7s are 35. You know, 5 7s are 35. Here both the fractions 3 by 5 and 1 by 7 both are proper fractions. So both are less than here the product of two proper fractions are less than each of the two fractions. So here what we will get, the product of two proper fractions, that is 3 by 35, it is less than both of the fraction. So if you want to do this, let us try. If you want to make a like fraction, then we will multiply 3 by 5, the denominator with 7 and also numerator with 7. 3 into 7 21 and 5 into 7 35, and you can now easily say that between 21 by 35 and 3 by 35, which one is a greater fraction? You know that 21 by 35 will be a greater fraction. And look at here, 21 by 35 is equivalent to 3 by 5, which is a proper fraction. So we can say that the product of two proper fraction is always less than each of the fractions right now. So let us come to the example number 3. Here one of the fraction is proper and another one of the proper is improper. So one of the fraction is proper fraction and another one of fraction is improper fraction. And if we multiply a proper fraction with the improper fraction, then what we will get? Let's do. Here we will multiply the numerators and also we will multiply their denominators. 2 7s are 14 and 3 5s are 15. We will get 14 by 15. And you know, if you want to make it like fractions, the fractions, two fractions, and we can do it, just multiply the denominators by 5 and so by numerators. 2 5s are 10 and 3 5s are 15. So students, look at here. Here in between 10 by 15 and 14 by 15, you can easily say that 14 by 15 is greater than 10 by 15. So look at here, 14 by 15 is the product. 14 by 15 is the product of a proper fraction and a improper fraction. Here the product is greater than, the product is greater than the proper fraction. And what about the improper fraction? Let us try. 7 by 5, if we want to make it like fraction, then we will multiply the denominator by 3 or also numerator by 3. 7 3 is 21, 5 3 is 15. So here we will get 21 by 15, and you can easily say that between 21 by 15 and 14 by 15, which one is a greater fraction? 21 by 15 is a greater fraction. So here the improper fraction, it is equivalent to the improper fraction. Here the equivalent fractions, here the improper fractions will be greater than the product. So we can say that the product of a proper fraction and an improper fraction is greater than the proper fraction and less than the improper fraction. So students, here all about the multiplications of fractions. Watch this video carefully so that you will understand the concept clearly. And after watching this video, you can solve exercise 2.3 right now. Thank you.